This is how you're gonna make $10,000 a month with your clothing brand. Let's get right into it. Say Less Trent back again with another video. Y'all subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like the video, comment, share, and as always, if you need one-on-one mentorship to grow your brand to 6 figures, direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent. Step 1, or how you're gonna build your brand to over 10K a month. The first thing you need to do, and this is even in the early stages of having a clothing brand, doesn't matter what stage you're in, you need to define your 6-figure winning product. I see a lot of clothing brands have a ton of variety or a ton of products that they're promoting, but not one of them can make them over $100,000 in revenue. Every brand has 1 or 2 defining products that gets it over to the top level to allow them to become a 6-figure, 7-figure business. What is your 6-figure winning product? What is going to be a product for you that is going to cause people to talk about your brand and boost your brand awareness? Now, when you define your 6-figure winning product, whether you need a graphic designer, whether you design it yourself, whether it takes 2-3 months, but you have to know that this product can make you over $100,000, simple as that gets. Now, when you get your 6-figure winning product in, you're going to go ahead and order some samples from your manufacturer. I would recommend ordering a few instead of just one for content purposes. Now, you're going to post your content high quality as possible, and what I want you to do is study other successful clothing brands just like yours. What are they posting? What type of quality is it? How creative are they being? And I want you to implement some of the things they implement and post that high quality content of your 6-figure winning product. You're also going to do some giveaways. Involve your community to take action and actually join your SMS list from these giveaways and actually follow your page and tap in with the brand, which is going to increase your brand awareness. You got to remember, the key is increasing your brand awareness. You got to think, if one person has already bought from your brand, why can't 100,000 more people buy from your brand? There's more people just like that customer that bought from you. You have to go find your target audience and go give them what they want. Now, you're going to promote. You should be posting on Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts with your 6-figure product at least 3 times a day using trendy hashtags and trendy sounds. When dropping, you can simply drop after you promote for about 2 weeks of just the samples. And a lot of clothing brand owners do this. They don't have the physical product on hand, but they have a good relationship with their manufacturer where they know the manufacturer will take at least 2 to 3 weeks to fulfill their items with no delays. And as far as that goes, they'll go ahead and just label in the shipping policy. Pre-order items take 7 to 28 business days, and pre-made items take 1 to 7 business days. Now, what you're going to do is, when you put up your website, and your website has to be strategically marketed also. If you need help building up a winning website and marketing the right way, direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent for that one-on-one help. Now, you're just going to drop, whether it's a pre-order or even if you do pre-made, just drop and just specify in the shipping policy that they will be updated weekly with shipping updates and all of that sort. So you can drop like you have the product on you. As long as you have it in the shipping policy, you'll be okay, ready to go. Just make it a priority to get their packages out, or you won't have a lot of returning customers if they have to wait really longer than a month, especially without being updated on a week-to-week basis. Now, also, before we get into step number 2, you need to write down that you want to make 10K a month from your brand as a goal of yours. Make it a definite decision that you're going to chase after until you get there. Write it down. My brand will accumulate $10,000 a month in revenue by this date. You need to set a deadline for yourself too. Make that desire rise even more. Make you work even harder and make a definite plan. Now, if you need help making a definite plan, a marketing plan, and an ad strategy and all that good stuff, direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent for one-on-one mentorship info, and I can help you with all of that. Now, as far as that goes, now that you have your 6-figure winning product, you've been promoting, you've been building up your SMS text list, which you will set up through your website, and now that you got your website set up, you having your shipping policy, and you have your goals written down, and now you're hungry to make 10K a month. You have to be hungry for that. It's not going to just come to you. So step 2 on how you're going to make 10K a month with your clothing brand. Define a winning ad for the product that you have, because organically you can only do so much. Now, if you're posting on Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, and like I said, you're posting that high quality content, you're being creative, and you're staying consistent, you should have some videos rise in views, which will cause you to build up your organic following. But you need to also rely on some ads to help you boost that brand awareness at a rapid pace. So define a winning ad for your product. You need specific ad settings, whether it be Instagram boost posts or Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or even Snapchat ads. You need to define a winning ad, and each of those platforms has specific way of promoting clothes that do better than others. So for example, if you are promoting on Instagram boost posts, you want to make sure you're using a white background, or you're putting the merchandise on the ground in a creative way. Like I said, you need a specific ad strategy that I use to make $50,000 a month with my brand, Say Less Lifestyle, then just direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent. Now that you have a winning ad after you tested and trialed with ads, don't go dumping a bunch of money into ads until you know you can make a return on your investment. You go ahead and click view insights, or you go review your insights on how the ad did, and if the cost per click is pretty low, then you would be able to go ahead and move forward and put a little bit more money in that ad to make sure you make a return on your investment. That's the main key here. You want to make sure you're making a return on investment and not just throwing money down the drain, because everything you do is very important. Yes, if you take a loss, it's going to teach you a lesson, but you have to learn from it. You know, unnecessary losses can be prevented, especially if you get a mentor or somebody that's already been in the industry that's successful to tell you about their failures so you don't make the same mistakes. But as far as that goes, you want to make sure you're selling online, and especially try to get your brand out there at max capacity and sell in person. Possibly even try to get your product in some stores and selling it without you being there. Try to do some pop-up shops, things of that sort. Hand out thousands of business cards and get your brand out there at max capacity. Now, the main key is your goal to make $10,000 a month should be to get around 15,000 visitors to your website. To make $10,000 a month, you have to generate the traffic to your website, which means you have to generate customers to come shop with you. And 15K visitors for an average successful clothing brand would be about 150 to 200, maybe 300 orders, which would equal a 10K month. So you really need to define your six-figure winning product, come up with a winning ad that works, maybe a couple different winning ads that you can trial on, also while using your SMS list and doing some in-person sales, and you should be at 10K a month in no time. I really just gave y'all the blueprint right there, but if you need more in-depth guidance on how to really get to 10K a month, please don't hesitate to direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent. And as far as that goes, I really appreciate y'all. A bonus on how to get to 10K a month, man. I'm not trying to sell y'all on anything. I'm simply just saying getting a mentor would be ideal also. If I was to start my brand over again, the first thing I would do is get a mentor 100% to learn and get as much knowledge as possible along with some guidance. So if you need one-on-one in-depth mentorship, don't hesitate to direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent. Once again, I want to help as many clothing brand owners as possible get to that next level like I did with my brand, Say Less Lifestyle. Let's go, y'all. I'm providing value every single week. We're going to keep coming with this heat. Y'all subscribe down below. Let's get it.